हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ मॉक टेस्ट 2 उन लोगों के लिए जो टीजीटी और पीजीटी का एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का ये वीडियो। एंड आई होप मेरे आंसर बताने से पहले आप अपना आंसर जो है वो गैस कर लेंगे और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए कि आपने कितने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करेक्ट दिए हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द ऑथर ऑफ सैमसन एगोनिस्ट वॉज। सैमसन एगोनिस्ट जो है ये लिखा है जॉन मिल्टन ने और ये पब्लिश हुआ था 1671 में। दिस इज अ ट्रेजिक पोएटिक ड्रामा ऑफ जॉन मिल्टन। विंडिक्टिव मीन्स रिवेंजफुल। रेटिसेंट मीन्स reserved. In which book of Charles Dickens we find the character called Agnes Fleming? Oliver Twist. Who is known as fourth witch among Shakespeare's women characters? लेडी मैकबेथ। क्योंकि मैकबेथ ये जो नोवेल है विलियम शेक्सपियर का, इसमें 3 विचेस तो ऑलरेडी हैं जो कि ओपनिंग सीन में ही हमें दिखाई पड़ जाती हैं। और जो लेडी मैकबेथ है इसे फोर्थ विच कहा गया है बिकॉज वो क्या करती है, वो जो मैकबेथ है हमेशा उसको भड़काती है, एयर पॉइजनिंग करती है फॉर दी पॉवर। Who said there is no essential difference between the language of prose and that of the metrical composition? William Wordsworth. Background casually is written by Background casually. This is a poem that is written by Nizam Ezekiel और ये जो पोइम है इसमें निज़म एज़ेकिएल ने अपनी चाइल्डहुड को डिस्क्राइब किया है। साथ ही उन्होंने इसमें अपना जो स्ट्रगल है, उनकी जो आइडेंटिटी थी, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ ज्यू, तो उनकी आइडेंटिटी को लेकर जो उनका स्ट्रगल था इन इंडिया, उसको भी उन्होंने डिस्क्राइब किया। और ये जो पोइम है बैकग्राउंड कैजुअली, दिस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 सेक्शंस। The woods are lovely, dark and deep, and I have promises to keep. These lines belong to Robert Frost. This line is from the poem Stopping by Boots on a Snowy Evening. It was published in 1923 and it was published in his New Hampshire volume. Complete the following. I hear America singing is a lyric. This is a patriotic lyric. And who is known as the bard of democracy among the following? Walt Whitman is known as the bard of democracy. इनको bard of democracy क्यों कहा जाता है? Because in one of his notebook in 1859, Walt Whitman announced that he was the bard of democracy. He stated a line, "Comrades, I am the bard of democracy." So this bard of democracy title goes to Walt Whitman, who defined tragedy in the following manner. Tragedy is an imitation of an action that is serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude. Aristotle. An iambic pentameter lines contains. एक आइम्बिक पेंटामीटर्स में कितनी लाइंस होते हैं? तो आइम्बिक पेंटामीटर में 5 फीट होते हैं। आइम्बिक पेंटामीटर की वीडियो अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हैं। A long poem telling the story of the leader of the whole community written in a narrative form and lofty style is called a long narrative poem telling the story of the leader of the whole community written in a narrative form. And the answer is epic. In which of his odes Keats wonders, do I wake or sleep? ये जो लाइन है डू आई वेक और स्लीप, ये कीट्स की किस ओड से ली गई है? दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम ओड टू नाइटिंगेल. Which volume of poetry by Keats contained poem Hyperion? हाइपेरियन जो है ये कीट्स के थर्ड वॉल्यूम में है. The literary art of diminishing a subject by making it ridiculous and evoking towards it the attitude of amusement is called. This is the definition of parody. Next, a lyric is. What is a lyric? A lyric is a short poem in which the poet expresses his intense personal feelings. A ballad is. A ballad is a short poem narrating a tale. What does the idiom be all and all mean? It means the whole and soul. Jealous means envious. Invincible means unconquerable. Who is the writer of the Adventure of Ulysses? Adventure of Ulysses. This is a work by Charles Lamb and Mary Lamb. चार्ल्स लैम्ब और मैरी लैम्ब दोनों ने इस वर्क को लिखा है, एडवेंचर ऑफ यूलिसिस को. इसके अलावा इन्होंने कोलैबोरेट करके एक वर्क और लिखा है जो कि काफी बार पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में, दैट इज टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर. टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर, ये जो वर्क है ये भी चार्ल्स लैम्ब और मैरी लैम्ब का है. व्हाट इज द एंटोनियम ऑफ ऑस्पिशियस? It's ominous. What is the synonym of the word apathetic? You can write any synonym. Here the answer is indifferent. Indifferent के अलावा बहुत सारे synonyms हैं इस word के, like passive, callous, uninterested, because the meaning of apathetic is उदासीन. What is the meaning of on the alert? Ready to act. What is the synonym of timorous? Timid. और timid के अलावा faint hearted, sneaky, they all are the synonym of this word timorous. Next, change into indirect speech. He said, alas, I am undone. He exclaimed sadly that he was undone. Complete the sentence. If I were the Prime Minister of India, I would help the poor. The first clause of the sentence is in past, then it would also be followed by past tense. Who regarded poetry as criticism of life? मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड. देखिए मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड का एक क्रिटिकल वर्क है द स्टडी ऑफ पोइट्री. ठीक है, तो द स्टडी ऑफ पोइट्री में उन्होंने ये कहा है कि पोइट्री जो है इट इज अ क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ लाइफ. व्हाट इज द यूनिक क्वालिटी ऑफ डिकेंस ह्यूमर? इट ब्लेंड्स ह्यूमर विद पैथोस. डिकेंस के जो नोवेल्स हैं दे ऑल आर नोन फॉर द blend of humor with pathos. The Sound and the Fury was written by. It was written by William Faulkner and it was published in 1929. Whose novels throw light on the miseries of poor orphan children? चार्ल्स डिकेंस. और आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि किस नोवेल की थीम है पुअर ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रन, जिसमें चार्ल्स डिकेंस ने पुअर ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रन को पोर्ट्रे किया है. आइडेंटिफाई द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन द फॉलोइंग लाइन. द पेन इज माइटियर देन द स्वॉर्ड. एंड द आंसर इज मेटोनिमी. Metonymy is a figure of speech in which the name of an object is replaced with a word closely related to it. For example, यहाँ पे जो pen है that is associated with a writer and the sword is associated with a warrior. तो यहाँ पे वॉरियर और राइटर ना लिख के वो उन चीजों को लिख दिया गया है जो कि उनके बहुत ज्यादा करीब हैं, क्योंकि पेन जो है वो एक राइटर की पहचान है, स्वॉर्ड जो है वो एक वॉरियर या एक किंग की पहचान है। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से कंपैरिजन किया गया है, उस पर्सन का नाम ना लिखकर उससे एसोसिएट बहुत ही ज्यादा क्लोजली जो ऑब्जेक्ट जुड़ा हुआ है उसके थ्रू कंपैरिजन कर दिया गया है। स्पीच इज मेटोनिमी। Who wrote the Revolt of Islam? P.B. Shelley, and this poem is in 12 cantos. In which year was Justice published? Justice was published in 1910. It is a novel by John Galsworthy. In which Shakespearean play does the following line occur? Age cannot wither her, nor custom stale her infinite variety. It's Antony and Cleopatra. What does the idiom smell a rat means? Smell a rat. It means to have reason to suspect. In which country is the story of Othello set? The setting of Othello is Venice. Who is the writer of History of Britain? History of Britain is an unfinished work of John Milton. Complete the sentence. Ottawa Rima is a stanza in iambic pentameters. Ottawa Rima is a 8-line stanza in iambic pentameters. 8 लाइन का स्टैंजा होता है जिसे कि iambic pentameters में लिखा जाता है। Put the following in indirect speech. How smart you are, she said. She exclaimed that he was very smart. Milton's Paradise Lost consists of how many books? ट्वेल्व बुक्स में लिखा गया है पैराडाइज लॉस्ट को। One impulse from a vernal wood may teach you more of man. This line has been quoted from This line has been taken from William Wordsworth's poem The Tables Turned. About which novel of his own Hardy marked a war between flesh and spirit? It's Jude the Obscure. और ये Jude the Obscure जो है, this is the last novel, we can say last complete novel of Thomas Hardy. Hardy began his career by writing poetry. Arms and the Men by G.B. Shaw is divided into 3 acts. Who is the protagonist of the Old Man and the Sea? A Cuban fisherman. Old Man and the Sea, it is a novel by Ernest Hemingway, who called Wordsworth the egotistical sublime. John Keats. Wordsworth wrote the Prelude in 14 बुक्स। ये वर्ड्सवर्थ का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है और इसे इन्होंने 14 बुक्स में लिखा है। कंप्लीट टाइटल जो है द प्रेल्यूड का, दैट इज द प्रेल्यूड और ग्रोथ ऑफ अ पोइट्स माइंड, और ये एक ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल पोएम है। What does Mulkraj Anand satirize in Kuli? Industrialization. Where from the epigraph of the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock is taken? Inferno. द लव सॉन्ग ऑफ जे अल्फ्रेड प्रूफ्रॉक, ये जो है एक पोइम है टी.एस. इलियट की, और इसका जो एपिग्राफ है ये इन्फर्नो से लिया गया है. हाउ इज लैम्ब एसोसिएटेड विद क्राइस्ट हॉस्पिटल? हियर ही वॉज एजुकेटेड. हु इज कॉल्ड द एसेज फॉर एक्सीलेंस? चार्ल्स लैम्ब. हु टर्म्ड शेली एज मेलोपोइक? Matthew Arnold. Where did Shelley settle and wrote his best poetry? Pisa. पीवी शैली जो थे ही मूव टू इटली इन 1820, और इटली में वो पीसा में जाते हैं, वहां सेटल्ड हो जाते हैं, और कहा जाता है कि वहीं से उन्होंने अपनी जो बेस्ट पोइट्री है वो लिखी है. Shelley wrote a pamphlet at Oxford, The Necessity of Atheism. By whom was he inspired? He was inspired by Hume. Which work of Hemingway was called the Bible of Lost Generation? The sun also rises. Who uttered these words? I guess I'm not a nature poet. I have written only 2 poems without a human being in them. These are the words of Robert Frost. Who is the author of A Mask of Mercy? Robert Frost. How many times did Robert Frost got Pulitzer Prize? 4 times. Kamala Das got Kerala Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1969. Which poem of Kamala Das is in dialogue form? The Invitation. Who wrote these lines? I cannot leave this island. I was born here and belong. These are the lines of Nizim Ezekiel, और ये जो आइलैंड यहाँ पे वर्ड यूज किया गया है ये उनके बॉम्बे, जैसे कि हम करेंटली मुंबई बोलते हैं, उसके लिए यूज किया गया है. दिस वर्ड जो है यहाँ पे मुंबई को शो करता है. वो बोलते हैं कि मुंबई जो है ये मेरा आइलैंड है, मैं यहाँ पे पैदा हुआ, मैं यहाँ से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं इसको नहीं छोड़ सकता. हाउ मेनी बुक्स डिड मुल्कराज आनंद पब्लिश बिफोर 1935? 5. Where did Mulkraj Anand born? He was born in Peshawar, जो कि करेंटली पाकिस्तान में है. Which volume of poetry by Keats contained poem Hyperion? Hyperion जो है ये 3rd वॉल्यूम में है. Here lies one whose name was written in water. Who is here spoken of? John Keats. In which of his odes Keats wonders, do I wake or sleep? Ode to Nightingale. Who said, Milton, thou shouldst be living at this hour? William Wordsworth. The Wasteland by T.S. Eliot is a poem of, how many lines are there in the poem The Wasteland? There are 430 lines in this poem, and this poem has been divided into 5 sections. Which was Faulkner's last novel? The Reverse. Which work of Faulkner is also known as A Boy's Ambition? Absalom, Absalom. Who wrote A Tiger's Heart wrapped in a player's hide about Shakespeare? Robert Greene. To which work of his own Shakespeare called the first heir of invention? Venus and Adonis. Venus and Adonis जो है, this is a narrative poem of William Shakespeare, and he dedicated this poem to Henry Wriothesley. He was the third Earl of Southampton. That's why he called it the first age of invention. All the world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players. Who is the speaker of these lines? ये लाइंस जैक्स ने कही है। विलियम शेक्सपियर की जो पेस्टरल कॉमेडी है एज यू लाइक इट, ये उसकी लाइंस हैं। स्ट्रेटफोर्ड ऑन एवोन is the place where Shakespeare born, where it is located. It is located in Warwickshire. Fill in the blank with appropriate tense. I wish I blank dead. And the correct answer here is were, because this sentence is in imagination. So for this type of sentences, when the subject is wishing something or he is imagining something that is not real, then we can use the helping verb were. Either the subject is singular or plural. Find the figure of speech in To err is human, to forgive divine. Here the figure of speech is antithesis. What figure of speech is in the man is no fool? Litorts. An ambassador is a gentleman who lies abroad for good of his country. Which figure of speech is in the above line? Fun. कभी कभी ये भी पूछ लेते हैं कि फन जो है वो पर्टिकुलर किस वर्ड में यूज किया गया है, तो यहाँ पे जो फन है इट इज इन दिस वर्ड लाइज. The word picaresque has been derived from Spanish word picaro, or picaro, that means rogue. What does the term curtain raiser indicates in drama? Curtain raiser is a short play before the main play. A, a ballad stanza is of lines. A ballad stanza is of 4 lines, that is called quatrain. What problem has been dealt with in Dickens' Bleak House? Lost delays. It deals with the theme lost delays. Lady Deadlock, a character occurs in Dickens' Bleak House. Name the incomplete work of Charles Dickens. It's Edwin Drood. When was Literature and Dogma published? Literature and Dogma, it was published in 1873, and it is a work of Matthew Arnold, who is referred as Europe's sagest head and physician of the Iron Age by Arnold. Arnold ने ये statement किसके बारे में दिया है? गोयथे के बारे में. Which poem of Tennyson was his favorite? Maud. Which one was Hardy's first serial novel? It was A Pair of Blue Eyes. Complete the sentence. Dirge means. What is the meaning of dirge? Dirge is a song of grief. Fill in the gap with an appropriate preposition. Volpone fell a victim his own greed. Here the answer is 2. In which play of Shakespeare does Adam appear? Adam appears in As You Like It. Milton became blind at the age of, it's very simple. Milton became blind at the age of 44. Fill in the blank. I am badly in need of money. Change into indirect speech. Do you write a good hand? He said. He asked whether I wrote a good hand. Good hand, I mean here writing. Comus is a mask. Elsinore in Denmark is the scene in a Shakespearean play which it's Hamlet. The child is father of the man. Which figure of speech this line denotes? It's epigram. Walt Whitman's poem "O Captain, My Captain" is a sad poem mourning the death of a great man. Who was he? He was Abraham Lincoln.